with another video, and I'm going to show you guys how I do my everyday makeup look. Finally, right? Finally. So what I'm going to start by using is Brow This Way by Rimmel London. I accidentally kind of like picked this up. Dark Brown 003. Brow This Way Fill and Sculpt Eyebrow to do. Okay, so what we're going to do, brush that with one side. And then we're gonna just fill in those sparse areas. Now I'm going to take my Brow Gal from Tanya Crooks. I got this in a BoxyCharm package a while back, and I've been using it to set my brows ever since. And it's also in the color dark brown, brown hair, they call it. And it pretty much just sets it in place. So now I'm gonna go in with this concealer brush. You can use any random concealer brush that you want. Anyway, I'm gonna use the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Eraser of Dark Circles in Tan. I don't know if it's an updated version, but I thought it was the same, and I'm not even sure it's the same color that I've always been using, but we're gonna use this one today because it's new. So what I'm gonna do is conceal my brows. Dang. And I use the same brush and I just scoot, 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 scoot. I just scoot all the way, use my fingers, and bam, that's it. Now I'm gonna do is use my NARS, I think this is Natural Radiant Long Wear Foundation, which is the best foundation ever in Macau. And I'm gonna do the top of my brows very lightly. And this is how you get that in between dramatic brow. Not too dramatic, but just so people could see it. I have some concealer still left on this brush too, by the way. I should have wiped it off. But anyway, we're gonna blend that out. So we're gonna make it work. Get another little dot, like dot. And go ahead and clean up the other brow. So now I'm gonna go in. I thought I already primed my face, but I didn't. And now I love this, so I use this to a core. I got this out of another BoxyCharm box a while back. Pores No More Luminizer Primer, and it's from the Dr. Brandt line. It's almost like a moisturizer and a primer in one. And it's illuminating too. Oh my God, it's squeezed all over the place. Ooh. I'm not taking no brush to put on my primer and act fake today for y'all, because that ain't how I just do it. Then I kind of use a lot of primers on my face because my face is kind of textured and uneven. So I'm gonna also go in with the Maybelline Baby Skin Instant Pore Eraser. I'm gonna put that on my nose. That's gonna fill in whatever lines, whatever holes, whatever creases I got, okay? It's very inexpensive. All links will be in the description box. I mainly focus this one though on like my T-zone because that's my troubled area. Then I'm gonna go in. You don't have to follow this. If you have pretty okay skin, you can do one. If you have oily skin, you can do one. And for oil, I like to go in with this Master Prime here, and it kind of like sets in the middle of my T-zone. And this helps with me greasing up on my nose throughout the day. I don't really have much oils going on everywhere else, so I do that. Sis. Let me zoom in a little bit more. I don't know. I feel weird being up close. Jesus, the anxiety. Anyway, I'm gonna now go in with my NARS Natural Radiant Longwear Foundation in the color Macao. I'm gonna put 1 dot, 2 dot, 3 dot, 4. And these are like little dots, like little. I don't feel like this is my perfect match. So I bought this Fenty Beauty and it's way too red. So I'm gonna put a little bit of that in next. And I'm gonna spray my face with the Mario Badescu Skincare Facial Spray. And let's go in with a beauty blender. And 2, I have a really weird skin tone. I'm not even. My chest is lighter. Ooh, I didn't want to do that. I just got this scarf. Then I go in with the Fenty Beauty in Pro Filter 430, and I'm gonna add this to it because it's more red and a little bit dark, and it's darker. So that's what I do. I have discoloration in this area, so I'm gonna go in right in here with a little bit more foundation to really get it blended. I could use concealer, but this works fine. Don't forget that neck, girl. Don't forget that neck. Now, since I've already completed my foundation, I'm going in now with that same concealer that I did my eyebrows with, and I'm gonna go underneath my eyes. Apparently this gets rid of dark circles. I don't have dark circles, so I don't know why I got it for that. I just thought it was like the other one. So that's what we're gonna do. And then we're gonna take that, and I like it because it has a cute sponge tip, and then you're gonna do a little dab in the center, do a little dab on the chin, do a little dab here. Okay? All right, so that's all the concealer you're probably gonna need in life. So, and I'm going in to blend. I'm gonna do my forehead, and it's all about tapping and blending and tapping and blending. And now, Sasha Buttercup Setting Powder. Take the same beauty blender, and I'm gonna just do a little light dab. Lord, I said light. And I'm realizing when I do this, I just take this and I keep going like this, and now you kind of like setting it in. and it won't leave like a big white cast on your face. Child, please don't make me sneeze. So now I'm gonna go in with my black opal 400 medium to set my lower cheekbones. This is different. I got this from Kaiser Kobe, and I'm gonna take the other end of my beauty blender. And the type of beauty blenders I use is the Real Techniques because it's cheap. And you take that and you kind of like set your contour to do one time. It's not as light as the Sacha Buttercup, so it don't give you like that big white cast. So now I'm gonna take my buffer brush or my Real Techniques. I think it's just a powder brush, and you just brush it off. Now I'm gonna take my, this is a Sigma large angled, don't laugh at me, my brushes. Hey, you need to wash, girl. Brushes, yeah. This is my large contour brush, and I got this from Sigma years ago. One thing I can say, these brushes held up well during the storm. So what I'm gonna contour with is an eyeshadow palette that I got in a boxy charm, and it's from Pure Cosmetics. And yeah, I just take the darkest shades, the darkest two shades, this one and this one, and I go ahead and use that to contour my face with, girl. I'm not good at contouring like that yet, by the way. I'm really not. So because I'm not good, I kind of tend to stick to powders because I don't feel like I got the whole gist of it yet. Like, I want a contour powder that is warm enough but doesn't make me look gray. Because I'm trying to look too light. So what I do next is I take my beauty blender and I kind of press everything in. And this works best for me. So now I'm gonna go in with my MAC Dark Tan and Mineralized Skin Finish, and I'm going to set my entire face. Then I'm gonna go right back in again and kind of like press and blend. This is what I do to make sure everything is kind of like together. I'm gonna take my Ofra Cosmetics. I had this a very long time, and a little goes a long way. Ofra Cosmetics Highlight. This is a goatee, an OG, oldie but goodie. Still works the same way. Highlighter. Also now I'm taking my, what's this? Like a contour brush from Real Techniques. Then I just go whatever leftover remaining and run that down my nose because I'm not really a contour guru. So now we're gonna take that same highlighter that I talked about, and like you need the littlest amount of this. Like you're gonna go like this when you do this. When you do this, this is how you're gonna do this. For real. And then I take my finger for this, the littlest amount, and then I go here. and you're looking like milk, girl. You're looking like milk, like you drank some milk. Take that same powder brush and I go back over and now I'm gonna take my setting spray, which I normally set my face before a little bit and I use this throughout, pretty much to wet my sponge, to do everything. And I love this along with the pink one. I can't remember what's in the pink one, but this is the Mario Badescu Skincare Facial Spray with Aloe, Cucumber, and Green Tea. Girl, I'm gonna drown myself. And take a little earring thing that I got from H&M, and I like to fan myself with it, you know. I'm not gonna be using a bunch of brushes in my videos. I'm gonna work with what I think everyone uses. Now I'm gonna take that same old concealer brush and go back into that highlighter that I've been using. And you wanna stick that in your inner crease. All right, sis. And I know you're gonna kill me because I do not know where these lashes are from, but I do believe they are from She's Blinking. And I'll tag her Instagram in the description box. Everything that I use is going to be linked in the description box, okay? Now I'm gonna go in with Tarteist mascara, and this is how it looks. And I'm going to put this on my upper lashes first, and then we're gonna work with our bottom lashes last. After the lashes we're gonna put on, okay? When I say these lashes are fire, these lashes are so pretty. Now I'm going to either go in, and this is my everyday makeup look, so I'm gonna go in with just a bit of gloss, and that's pretty much it. Girl, that is it for this video. Going with my Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb. Girl, can't beat that. Now I'm also gonna go in with, I think this is Shayla X Colourpop Ultra Glossy Lip in Neat Free. It has more glitters than Fenty Beauty. Let me know what you think about this, and we're gonna bring it back for you with the finished look. I do this practically all of the time. So no eyeshadows, no colors, the neutral tones. And don't forget to check out the other video that has my little quick and easy how to finesse dirty hair. You know what I mean? It's somewhere in the cards above, or it's probably gonna be in the next video. So check out that video for me. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video.